Basic math symbols. The first symbol is plus sign used for addition. Example is 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Then is minus sign used for subtraction. Example is 7 minus 2 equals to 5. Times sign or the multiplication symbol used in multiplication. Example is 4 multiplied by 4 is equal to 16. Division sign. Example is 20 divided by 5 equals to 4. The last one is asterisk used for multiplication. Example 2 asterisk 4 equals to 8. The first symbol is multiplication dot. Example is 2 dot 3 equals to 6. The second one here is strict inequality or the less than symbol. Example is 5 is less than 10. Then the strict inequality greater than symbol. Example is 9 is greater than 2. The fourth symbol over here, inequality, which means less than or equal to. Example, x is less than or equal to y, means x is either less than y or equal to y but not greater than y. Then is inequality again, which means greater than or equal to symbol. A is greater than or equal to B, means A is greater than B or equal to B but not smaller than B. On this page, the first symbol is not equals to sign. For example, 10 is not equal to 6. Then we have equal sign. 4 is equal to 2 plus 2. Then we have brackets symbol. For brackets, we have to calculate the expression inside the brackets first. In this example, we have to calculate 2 multiplied by 5, which is in the bracket. We have to calculate that. 2 multiplied by 5 is 10 plus 9 is equal to 19. Then the last one is parenthesis symbol. Again, we have to calculate the expression inside it first. So 3 multiplied by 3 plus 7. 3 plus 7 is 10. So 3 multiplied by 10 is equal to 30. Over here, the first symbol is minus plus. Example is 1 minus plus 4 is equal to 1 minus 4 is minus 3 and 1 plus 4 is 5. Then we have plus minus. So 5 plus 4 is 9 and 5 minus 4 is 1. Then we have the period or the decimal point symbol and example is 4.38. Then we have the division symbol. 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. Then we have the percentage symbol. So 1% is equal to 1 divided by 100. 10% of 40 is 4. The first symbol here is mod or modulo symbol. It is used for remainder calculation. 7 mod 3 is equal to 1. So whenever 7 is divided by 3, we get remainder as 1. Square root symbol. Square root of 9 is 3. Then we have the cube root symbol. Example, cube root of 343 is 7. Then is the fourth root symbol. For example, fourth root of 16 is 2. The first symbol over here is ampersand or the and symbol. Then second one is there does not exist. Third one is there exists symbol. Fourth one we have because or since symbol, and the fifth one is therefore symbol. Thanks for watching.